with a new video, and I really hope you guys would like it. But this is a very normal video. I wanted to stay low-key this week, and I needed a little break, so I thought why not just show you guys what my life is like. What do I do on a daily basis? Let's see if you guys like it or not. It's gonna start right now. Hi guys, I have just woken up and what I'm gonna do is go cook my food because then I have to work out and take a shower. But I prefer cooking before so that I can like eat as soon as I'm done. So I'm a little disoriented. I don't know if it happens with you guys. I feel like okay, I need some time. Even though I was on my phone for half an hour scrolling through Instagram as soon as I woke up. But yeah, and I'm a little grumpy when I wake up. That's why I'm not like very cheerful right now. So bear with me. I'm gonna get better, I promise.
The first thing that I do is open the blinds. I need light, I need like open space. I don't like staying in like closed blinds.
So I don't have a lot of things and I'm wondering what to make. Like my groceries are gonna come in some time. I ordered, by the way, Amazon Fresh, Spar, Big Basket and Grofers. These places are delivering groceries at home, so if you guys are wondering, like you get the basic stuff, so that's pretty good. And like I have tomatoes, onions and then rice. Wondering if I should just make tomato curry kind of thing, like tomato chutney, which is not like blended with rice. I'm gonna show you guys. It's nice, I like it. It's simple, it's homely, and it's like comfort food for me. Everything's set. Like I'm gonna like chop the vegetables. This is what I always keep with me in the kitchen because I like wiping my hands whenever they're dirty. And some music, like that's the basic thing. Also, I don't know if you guys know this thing in onions, you have supposed to remove it because apparently it's cancer causing. That's what my mom told me, and to be honest I never factually checked it, so maybe go ahead, just check it. I'm gonna chop it from between and then remove these parts. My mom gave me this machine, the pulling thing. I don't know which cuts the vegetables on its own, but I can't use it because I don't get the satisfaction of chopping the vegetables. Like cooking is like a therapy for me. I don't know, it's just make me feel so nice that I don't want it to just get over with soon, which is weird. I don't know. It looks like a lot, but I generally make my lunch and dinner together, and sometimes the next day what I'm gonna eat. So everything's ready. Like I like to arrange my things and then work. As I said, like I'm a little fastidious, so not a little, I think quite a lot, because I don't like not making things properly. What I'm going to do now is start cooking, and I don't use a lot of oil in my food. Like I think that'll be good enough. I'm gonna take some cumin seeds. This is one of my most favorite things.
Add those tomatoes in.
So this recipe was taught to me by one of my PG Didis that I used to stay with, and I didn't know how to cook then, and she'd make this rice and curd every day. I also added a little bit of water, like so that it's a little liquidy and not just too dry. The recipe is quite simple. I'm just going to tell you in short what I did. I chopped the vegetables, then I put some cumin. I put oil, cumin, then onions, fried them. Then I put the tomatoes with turmeric powder and chili powder. That's all, and salt obviously. Guys, I'm done cooking, and that's how I leave my kitchen because I don't like leaving the kitchen messy. And yeah, I think I'm bored with it sometimes. Okay, I think I should shut up. Bye. My groceries from Amazon is here. I'm gonna open them now. So I think in excitement I ordered a lot of tomatoes, onions and potatoes. So I like to just sit after cooking for some time, like just lay back and just sit down. I generally do these 30-minute standing cardio workouts, like the kickbox one, and then there are so many. They're all amazing. Just got done with the workout. You can see from my hair and my face. I feel my face is much more cleaner, and I feel I've accomplished something, done something throughout the day. So I decided to put a face mask and oil my hair before I take a shower, but that's what I'm gonna do for the next 20 minutes. I'm managed to make this, which looks decent, but it's not like the thin dosa, it's more like uttapam. Everyone thinks and like they see these amazing pictures on Instagram that I put, and to be honest, they are quite good, the things I've made. But when I can't make like basic stuff like dosa, why? Because it's one of my favorite things in the world. Like, I love eating dosa, I love it. So I'm gonna show you what I use generally, like on an everyday basis. These are those products. This is the Estee Lauder toner that I use. Then I use the serum, and then I go for the day cream or night cream depending on when I'm putting it. Like, I do a night routine too. And then this is my favorite like body lotion, Victoria's Secret Bombshell Seduction. Like, I absolutely love it. And on general days I use this, like Bare Vanilla. Like, I love it too. So Seduction and Bare Vanilla is like my favorite from VS. Got to mention my favorite lip balm, Bird Peace. This was given to me by my best friend. Thanks, Pashi. And yeah, I love it. Like, my lips have never felt better. Like, they've always been chapped, but this helps out a lot. This is like my little makeup corner where I keep like my perfumes and like a few things that I use on a daily basis. Now I'm gonna work a little because it's Corona time, so work is a little less right now and it's not very hectic. Normally I would start like this whole process a little earlier so I can, you know, get through the day and I can start work earlier. It's my work phone and my laptop is right here ready, and yeah, I'm all set to work right now. This app called LifeSum that I use to note down the number of calories that I have each day and am I crossing it. Wednesday, Thursdays and Fridays are me shooting and editing my videos, so that's like a little more hectic than any other day. These are my work clothes. Now you're gonna see me change into my shoot clothes because that's what I generally do. Like, when I have shoots, I change into something like, be it professor, be it into characters, be it clothing, but I like putting makeup. It can be any kind of makeup, so you're gonna see me change into that now. Hi guys, so I'm back and I've completed my work, and now it's almost evening. I also did my makeup and hair, so I feel quite nice right now. Normal days, on Mondays and Tuesdays and other days, I'm on the terrace walking, and also along with that I'll be taking some nice selfies on the terrace because I look nice, and this is what I do on shoot days to let people know that I am shooting and you should be looking forward to my videos. I'm gonna now show you what all do I carry the terrace with me. So I carry my water bottle, then my room keys, then a pen, and my work stuff like my everyday list and different lists that I want to create. This is my terrace, guys. So I love walking on my terrace. It's always so peaceful. I don't know, I feel that greenery is underrated. For me, open space is very important. Like, I love open spaces, a terrace or big balconies or big windows, everything. Like, I love all of it. This is my 5 minutes makeup. I don't know how good it is, but it's a lot of pink and it's easier for me to do because I just like rub everything on my face and come. I do take the time to come to the terrace at least for an hour and just walk, just be here, because I realize that my mental health is getting affected since I work from home and most of my work is at home. I do not get to meet a lot of people except for the weekends and maybe sometimes during the week as well. So I think taking the time out just to come and see, you know, the birds around, the greenery around, it fills my heart with a lot of joy. I come to the terrace around 5:30 till like 6:37ish. Like, I have a fixed time of posting pictures on Instagram every day, and that's when I post it. I'm gonna do it in some time. I'll tell you what my week looks like generally. I start with Mondays, Tuesdays, where I decide what week pictures like for my Instagram that I'm gonna post. I edit them and I keep them aside. Then I think about the next theme idea, like what kind of video do I want to create. Then half of the week is editing and making the videos, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. And obviously my work, that's always there. I do have work all the time, but I feel that keeping myself busy is quite interesting and nice for me. I love working. If I'm like left alone and not to do anything, I would probably go crazy. My water bottle that I carry with me everywhere, I absolutely love it, and I think hydrating myself is the best thing I've ever done because it's already showing on my skin. I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you guys in some time because I have some things to complete. The sun has finally set and it's time for me to head downstairs and get on with the other works. You're gonna know some interesting facts about me in the next few minutes. So I'm gonna tell you about my green tea now that I drink every day. So I have 2 cups of green tea, not more than that. And I prefer the organic pomegranate green tea. I used to love the very one when I was in the UK. I'm gonna work on my list and listen to some music. So I'm obsessed with making lists. This is the list of places in Bangalore where I can shoot. I've come up with 173 places, and I have lists for everything, like every single thing that is there in my life. I have like a special notebook that I've ordered for these tiny lists that I make. These lists helps me out a lot. If I don't work according to the lists, I feel that I forget things, so it's very useful for me. I think I've noted down all the shows I have ever watched. I wanted to even make a list of the movies I've watched, but to be honest, I don't remember the movies I've watched till now, but I wanted to make a list out of that as well. Along with that, I have shows that I think are pending, the shows that I need to watch. Crazy amount of lists. That's all. I think I can't say lists. I am a little weird when I say lists. Okay, I am going to stop now. I love the satisfaction of cutting something. Like, I have finished drinking green tea. We've reached the end of my day because now it's already night, and now I'm gonna remove my makeup, have dinner, meditate. That's not working like the one in front, but I switch on my fairy lights. I lie down there, overthink my life, every single thing in my life, regret every single thing in my life. I actually don't regret anything, but sorry, yeah. And then I'm gonna watch something and fall asleep. That's all I'm gonna do today. Bye. I really hope you guys found it a little interesting to see what I do on a daily basis. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and let me know if you have any comments down here, right here. See you guys next time.